We used SchoolDude previously. There just wasn't a lot in there that we could use. The reports were running on Flash. We had 1,000 work orders open and live, and we couldn't close them out. I mean, it was chaos. It's 2022, like there's gotta be a better way to do this. And so we found that Limble was definitely the best. We kind of planned on a year implementation process. We thought it was gonna take a lot of time. Lo and behold, 2 months later, January, we've gone live with the system and it was fantastic. One of the issues we found with SchoolDude was that sometimes they'd show up to do the same work order. With Limble, the guys assign the work orders. This kind of keeps them from crossing each other. When I have a problem, I can easily fix it. When I can smooth out tensions in our lives on campus using Limble. It's like, man, having that software has completely changed how I operate. I mean, it is the backbone of my job and how I do everything I do.